Hi everybody. I wanted to address the issue that a couple of people have emailed me about the discussion board readings. When you go to your Canvas or Carmen homepage for the 1901 class, you will see a couple of ways to get to the discussion board. First, you can get to the discussion board by clicking on discussions on the side here. Do that. And you can then pick the discussion board that you're supposed to work on this week. The problem is that when you click on discussion board 1 and you go down here, the links for these readings right here, Oberl 2013 and Mosher 2012, were not linking properly. If you were trying to get to those readings via this discussion board, then it was not working. I have fixed it now. So if you are having trouble, go ahead and click on those and it should work now. So as you see, I can click on Oberl and here is the reading, or I can go back and click on Mosher and here is the reading for Mosher. Okay, so you have access to those readings now. I was looking at the link for week 1. If you go to home page and you click on week 1, you can see that down here in your to-do list it says to read, up here, I'm sorry, in your assignments it says to read Mosher and read Oberl. These links did work before, so if you were accessing readings this way, you should have had no problem. Okay? Any case, if you do have problems with links in the future, let me know. I will try to fix them as we go. All right?